Welcome to this 10-minute yoga routine that will help you stretch and strengthen your body. Let's begin with mountain pose. Stand with your feet hip distance apart, arms at your sides, and palms facing forward. Take a deep breath in and lengthen your spine, reaching the crown of your head towards the ceiling. Exhale and fold forward, coming into forward fold. Then, plant your hands on the ground and step back into downward dog. Take a few breaths in this pose, then lower your knees to the ground and sit back on your heels in child's pose. Next, come onto your belly and lift your chest up in cobra pose. Then, sit with your legs extended in front of you and come into seated twist, twisting to the right and then to the left. Lie on your back and lift your hips up into bridge pose. Finally, come into corpse pose, lying on your back with your arms at your sides. Repeat this sequence as many times as you'd like, moving slowly and mindfully through each pose. Remember to listen to your body and modify the poses as needed. Enjoy your yoga practice. Thanks for watching.